Hi, we're trading up, and today's conversation starter is utility crypto coins versus meme coins. What are they, and what's the difference between the two? First of all, I want to start out by saying I'm not a financial advisor, so this is not financial advice. I do always encourage you to do your own research. I've done a little research and I want to share it with you today. So let's get started. The first question is, what are utility crypto coins? Utility coins are created to serve a real function within a blockchain, an app, or ecosystem. They solve a problem or they provide functionality. And actually, they can do all three of those things. They can solve a problem and provide functionality. Some common utility crypto coins include XRP, Ethereum, Stellar, Solana, and Chainlink. You might have heard of these particular crypto coins. Each of these crypto coins solves a problem or they have some use case. For example, with XRP, XRP provides a bridge currency. It is a bridge currency. And it also provides on demand liquidity. Ethereum is often used to pay gas fees, and people build smart contracts on Ethereum. Stellar, it's also a bridge currency, and you can pay transaction fees with transfers. Solana, people build decentralized apps using Solana. And then Chainlink is data for smart contracts. So all of these utility crypto coins have some use case or they help to solve problems. So, what are meme coins? Meme coins are created mainly for fun, hype, and sometimes as a joke. They don't solve real world problems. They're often based on internet culture, memes, animals, or trends. Meme coins oftentimes have high community engagement and virality. They go viral sometimes, and they don't solve real world problems. Let's take a look at some examples of meme coins. Here are some popular meme coins. You might have heard of these names: Pepe, Floki, Dogecoin or Doge, Shiba Inu or Sheeb, Peanut the Squirrel, even Fartcoin, and Dog with Hat. So let's take a look at this chart and we're going to kind of look at the differences between utility cryptos and meme coins. I've got my little pointer right here. And on the left side, we have the features. Those features include purpose, value drivers, risk, supply, long term sustainability, as well as real use cases. And we have meme coins here in the middle and utility coins here on the end. Okay, so let's first of all take a look at the purpose, okay? And the purpose for meme coins is mostly for fun and hype, and it includes a lot of memes. Now, you can still make money. People have made a lot of money with meme coins, but their main purpose is generally fun, hype, and memes, community involvement. For utility coins, real world utility, or they help to provide some type of functionality. So, what's a value driver for meme coins? Community and hype. Okay, that drives the value of these coins. Community engagement, and the community hypes up the coin. The value driver for utility coins is its use case as well as network demand. Let's take a look at the risk level for meme coins. The risk level for meme coins is very high. Oftentimes because of the lack of a use case, these coins can come and go. Now, some of the meme coins that I mentioned earlier, a few of them have been around for a while, like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, but a lot of these coins they're out for a very short time. The risk as far as for utility coins, there is still risk, but not as much risk as for meme coins. And let's take a look at the supply structure. Okay, for coins, there's often a huge supply structure. Okay, they have huge supplies, like in the trillions and quadrillions of coins or tokens. Sometimes there is, and oftentimes there's no burn mechanism. Burn mechanism means that some of the coins are taken off of the market. And sometimes there's no cap on the supply of coins, for example, like Dogecoin. Okay. So the supply structure for utility coins is usually a controlled supply. There's usually a supply cap. Like, for example, Bitcoin, there was 21 million Bitcoin. For XRP, 100 billion XRP were created. All right. So now we're going to take a look at long-term sustainability of these coins. So for meme coins, sometimes they come and they go for some of the meme coins. They're pumped up by the community, by hype, by they become viral, and then they can be gone just as fast. So it's uncertain. For utility coins, they're designed for long-term ecosystems. Their survival depends on continued adoption and development. And let's take a look at real use cases. For meme coins, there's generally there are no real use cases for meme coins. Generally, they're not. But for utility coins, there are generally multiple use cases for those coins. So in simple terms, meme coins are generally hype-driven, community-driven coins. That's for meme coins. And utility coins are functional crypto within a blockchain, an app, or an ecosystem. Sometimes you can ask yourself a couple of questions when you think about, is this a meme coin or is this a utility coin? Does it solve a real world problem? If it does, then it's a utility coin. Okay, if it doesn't solve a real world problem, it may be a meme coin. Are real companies or developers using it? If so, it's probably a utility coin. Does the network have users? If no one uses the chain, then it's a hype coin or a meme coin. So those are just a few questions that you can ask yourself to determine whether a crypto is a meme coin or a utility coin. And as we're becoming more exposed to crypto, these are some questions that we want to ask ourselves and think about, even if we're considering investing or learning more about the coins. Is this a meme coin? Is this coin based on hype? Is it based on community involvement? Is it in terms of the community really hyping up this coin? Or is this coin based on functionality and use case? Well, I hope this information helps to inform you a little bit more about meme coins and utility-based crypto coins so that we can be prepared and not surprised. So until next time, take care.